I've been studying computer science for 3 years, and most of the skills I acquired are definitely not from computer science lectures and courses. In this video, I want to talk about 2 points. First, about the reality of a computer science degree, then the second point is about what actually matters from that degree. So if you're ready, let's start now. People expect that a computer science student codes all day, but if you're a computer science student or graduate, you know that this is not true. Here's the reality. There were semesters that CS students, including me, had to endure tough theoretical courses. People think CS students codes all day. In reality, we were surviving theoretical classes. I'm not saying theory is bad, but at least there should be a balance between theory and coding, since only theory will not make a CS student job ready. Now, you'll learn topics like operating system, where you'll dive deep into process and memory management, which are hard topics. There's also networking courses, data structures, algorithms, and not to forget mathematics. And yes, there is a lot of math in computer science. You get the idea. There is a lot of concepts and theories that you need to cover as a CS student. Now, what matters is the takeaway from these courses, what you can really use in the job market. First, your problem-solving skills will improve. These courses I listed earlier, especially math, will require you to think hard. Ignoring the fact that you'll never see them in your life, they have a huge impact to your problem-solving skills since they teach you how to approach a problem. Second, you build a foundation. You're a computer science student. There is the word computer. You're gonna have to learn how a computer thinks and works, even if those concepts are hard. For example, I spoke about memory management earlier. It is a very tough concept. You'll learn about virtual memory, paging, and segmentation. They're not fun, but these are the foundations of how computers work. But because of these foundations, you build thinking skills, which I think are important for your coding journey. Now, what actually matters is not the degree, but what you accomplish alongside your degree. So I'm going to break this point into 3 parts, starting with number 1. From this degree, you'll develop thinking skills, which are really important for a developer, because a developer is not just a programmer. Indeed, you write code as a developer, but you're not only thinking of code, you're first thinking of how you can efficiently approach and solve this problem. Now, I know university life is fun, but you don't want to finish your 3 years of studies with just a degree. You have to do something extra. What I mean is that you must learn coding outside university and build your own projects. You will not learn technical skills in university. You must put effort into learning real-world skills and build real projects that you can showcase on your CV and portfolio, and that will teach you what to expect once you finish your degree and start working. Now, one of my instructors said this: consistency beats talent. And what they mean here is that the best students are not only smart, but they also show up. The key takeaway here is you have to be consistent. If you're not, you might start a project today and tomorrow ignore it. That is why showing up to classes builds discipline and consistency. So a computer science degree will not get you the 6-figure job you dreamed of, but what you do alongside that degree is what matters. Do you want to spend 3 years attending lectures and courses only, or you'll be working on the side on your coding skills and building projects? The degree is just a piece of paper. Your skills are the one that matters.